Ashiana. Okay, the dance start facing the center is my dance. Step behind, to the right, 5 and step behind, step in front, step behind, open, close, side to side, and again, step behind. This is the course part, open, close, side to side. Now let's go to the first part. Step behind, 2 step twist, turn to the right, brush, 3 step forward, right and left, turn to the right and clap. One more time, there, 1 behind, 1 in front, twist, turn and brush, right foot in, right and left, and turn and clap. Second part, step behind, see back, step behind, hop, hop, 2 step, cha-cha-cha, 1 more time, step behind, hop, step, 1, 2, sway, sway, cha-cha-cha, turn, and start all the dance from the beginning. After we did the dance twice, in the end, the course part goes 3 times. Twice, it becomes faster. In the end, it becomes really, really slow. Open, close, step behind, step in front, open, close, outside and inside, sway and go in 2 turns, and the hands goes up. Ashiana. Thank you.